If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. In this chapter, we will review the transactions that you will need to use in order to correctly account for funds held within a client's trust account within most, if not all, states. You should always be aware of the reporting requirements within your state and adhere to the regulations given. While you will have all of the required transactions and accounting information stored within the legal company file in QuickBooks, it is important to remember that you must also keep paper copies of all records related to your client's trust account, including bank-created records. Be sure to keep paper copies of all of this information. The first transaction that we will cover is making a deposit of client funds into the client's trust account. You should review the lesson on making deposits in Chapter 10 of this tutorial if you need to review the process. Start by selecting Banking, Make Deposits from the menu bar within QuickBooks. Within the Make Deposits window, you will select the Client Trust Checking from the Deposit To field at the top of the window. Then select the date of the deposit from the Date Calendar dropdown. In the Memo field, you should enter the client's name, the matter or case, and any other relevant identifying information. Then select the name of the client and matter from the drop-down that appears when you click into the first empty row underneath the Received From column. Then select the Client Trust Liabilities account from the adjacent From Account column's drop-down menu. You can then re-enter the memo information into the Memo column. You can then enter the payment method into the Payment Method column and enter the check number into the check number field if required. You can then use the Class dropdown to classify the partner who manages the trust account and handles the client from the Class dropdown. You then enter the amount of the deposit into the Amount field. Once you have finished recording the necessary information, click the Save and Close button to record the client's deposit. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.